Hey everybody, today we're diving deep into crucial updates to the cap-gap protections for F-1 students transitioning to H-1B status. These changes, part of the H-1B Modernization Rule announced on December 17th, 2024, are set to transform the experience for international students and their employers. Let's break it down. First, the big news. There is an extended protection period. Previously, cap-gap only lasted until October 1st. Now it's been significantly extended to potentially April 1st of the following calendar year. That's an additional option of 6 months of certainty for international graduates and their employers. The next part that's crucial is the automatic extension. If you're an F-1 student and the beneficiary of a timely filed non-frivolous H-1B petition, in the final year of your eligible OPT or STEM OPT status, you will automatically receive an extension of your F-1 and your employment authorization while you're waiting for your H-1B to be adjudicated. So this means no more anxious waiting or potential gaps in your ability to work legally. The extension provides up to 6 additional months of status and work authorization. So that's half a year of continued legal work status and eligibility while you await your H-1B approval. This is huge for maintaining continuity in your career and your life in the US. The validity period. So the automatic extension lasts until either April 1st of the relevant fiscal year for which your H-1B petition is filed, or until the start date of your approved H-1B petition, whichever comes first. This gives you and your employers a clear timeline to work with. These changes are super important because they significantly reduce the risk of gaps in work authorization for F-1 students transitioning to H-1B status through the annual lottery. No more worrying about falling out of status or losing work authorization while your H-1B application is pending. And this can be really helpful if you or your employer are not paying for premium processing, which is currently $2,805 per petition. For employers, this cap-gap flexibility means greater certainty in retaining valuable talent. You can continue working for your employer without interruption, making the transition smoother for everyone involved. It's also worth noting that these changes provide greater flexibility during the transition period to H-1B, so you can continue your job while you're waiting for your approval, even if you're past the end date of your final EAD for OPT or STEM OPT. So in this episode, I want to take a deeper dive into what the changes are, what the rulemaking process looked like, what the comments were, and what the economic impact is going to be as this new rule is set to take effect in January. And this will provide important background for employers and team members who are looking to participate in next year's H-1B lottery system, with the lottery beginning in March of 2025. So overall, these cap-gap updates represent a significant improvement in the F-1 to H-1B transition process. They offer extended protection, automatic extensions, and greater peace of mind.